to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn post notifications, huge thumbs up. And it is daytime, so.
Better quality.
Oh, I almost landed it this time, guys. Look.
Guys, who wants to play Baldi? Baldi's Basics? But they're from the view of Baldi.
Yeah, you're Baldi.
Yeah.
How about I'm Baldi?
I'll show y'all my forehead.
Oh my gosh, that would be fun. Baldi does have a little bit of hair. You got a little bit of hair, so. Yeah, that's true. You can don't. Yeah, here, your body. Here's the roller. Wait, this could be the roller, but you can have to touch them like that. Now, ready to go. What the?
Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Run!
Wait, if you find a notebook, you can say.
No, there's no notebooks. It's just survival. How about that?
You randomly say out of us like have a notebook and that's like a.
No, there's no notebooks. It's just survival.
Wait, I have no idea. We all have like a mini game, but it's like us. And then at the second notebook.
First night, I go easy. Second night, it gets harder throughout the nights.
Okay.
Hi.
I'm gonna go! No mini game! Go!
No going on the trampoline because I can't without making the camera go.
Here, look. Okay. Guys, don't let Party see us. Are you good?
Shinkies.
Oh no. Party! I love math! Please. Yay!
No, I turned around because. Shing, 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 shing. Shing, shing.
Oh! Oh no! I'm the only survivor! No! Ah! Get up! Okay, I'm not fully healed.
No, there's no healing. It's just survival. Now, if I hit y'all, y'all are dead. I think Patrick got hurt.
Wait!
Shaking my head. Patrick, you get another life since you fell.
Okay, so, they got your dog.
What?
Your dog.
Where?
He's walking this way.
Jude!
I just looked that way up. I gotta take her home.
Dude.
It's a video call.
I know. Hi, Jude.
I'm scared of that dog.
She doesn't hurt you.
Why does she kiss me? I'm still scared. Like when she was here and you weren't here, she had done kissing me.
It's because she needs lovins. Okay, since I got all y'all, what should I do? Well,
Wait, no, you never got me. Never got me because you gave me another life.
When I paused the video, remember how I got y'all?
Yeah, because that was the ending of you getting me because remember you got closer and closer, so that means.
And then I paused it, and then.
You had to make it look all dramatic.
It's because I saw my dog.
Yeah, and
Gordon. Oh no. Could y'all get one of y'all's parents to take her home? Or like help me?
I'll help you.
I'll help you.
I'll help you.
Hey.
No.
I don't know what that was all about.
Okay, me
Y'all see him? The camera has gotten blurry. Blurry camera. Guys, we're walking my dog home.
He's adorable.
She.
Oh yeah.
Look how cute she is.
Yes, Mom. He's adorable.
Eh.
Not for me, but she kind of.
Okay, I'll see you on.